Hi, this is Lakshmi. Today I am going to explain you about how to create a block report with subtotals. For this, first of all, I am going to show you how to create, already I have done a video regarding the step report and by using a subtotals. So this is step drill down report which I am showing now. This is a subtotals which is shown over here like this, like up top of it, the top of that particular column. But if I'll show you in another one. So this is a block report by using a subtotals one. So this is India and this is a USA. So but through India, these people are the salespersons and these are the products, and this is a and total number of items sold in particular group is shown over here. Like totals is also there, like a total how many we sold are and how many people are. So what's the total price? Like each group it has given what is the total amount and total products that are sold over here. So this is a basic, like a simple difference between a block report. Like this block report, this you can see the report, the salesperson's name has come over here only from the same line. But if you see here, here in a step drill down report, see the country or India is in here, that column is empty for the salesperson, and number of items and total subtotals are shown over here, and then next it's shown over here. So this is some basic difference between a block report and a step drill down report. So see here how to create a block report and using a subtotal. That's how I'm going to explain over here. Like now I'm going to create a new project, it is a report server project 1, and I'm going to give this project name as subtotal group report. So create. Now it's created, and here which is the data source I'm going to use, that credentials and everything I'm going to give. I'm copying and paste here my SQL server name, like I have copied from here, connect data engine. So I have copied this and pasted over here, and the table which I am going to use is this product details table. So this is the data which I am going to convert this into a group block data and with subtotals. So and now as mine is SQL server authentication, I have to give my user ID and password and select the database, student warehouse database, and hit OK. Now this database has been connected, and then next is again it's asking user ID and password, and now I have to from which table I am going to get the data. Select star from product underscore details. Next, and it's my tabular form. Next, see here my group is a country one, and details will be all those things, other columns, and now I am going to select the product block one. So this is a block report. See, you can see here enable drill down option is not there, so we can't do a drill down option over here. For this, the block will be like this. This is the group, and this all the data will be simultaneously next to besides that only. So yeah, I have selected include subtotals, preview report, and finish. This is how I am going to create a group data by using a subtotals. View the report. See, you can see that the same report here. This is how it's going to look like this. This is how this is a simple example in which I have created a block report and used the subtotals over here. So if you want any design changes, you can go for a design and you can change this color and something properties for that particular column. To go to text box properties, and here all this number, alignment, font, border, fill. So whatever depending upon our wish, we can do a look and feel of that particular, or see here, this is how it's going to look, depending upon the client. So what is the look and feel of that you want the report, you can do it. So this is how this we have created a report over here. And so this is a simple example which I have explained you about the in group report, how to create a using a subtotals, how we have created this. So this is a simple example. Thank you for listening. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my video. Thank you.